Well, thank you very much for being connected with my channel. My dear friend, I have seen so many people. They said यार मुझे लर्न करना है, कैसे भी करके लर्न करना है, मुझे कोई आइडिया या प्रोसेस बता दो या कोई टेक्निक बता दो जिससे मैं लर्न कर लूँ ईजिली से और जल्दी से. But main thing is that you need to do practice. You need to spend your time. If you are not spending, you are not doing practice, then how you can able to think that yes I can able to learn? You can't able to learn because प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप चीज़ों को डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ चीज़ों को समझोगे, लर्न करोगे, एक्सप्लोर करोगे, अपने सेंटेंसेस में बनाओगे, उसे ट्रांसलेट करोगे और अंडरस्टैंड करोगे. जब आपके पास फुल एंड डीपली अंडरस्टैंड हो जाएगा उस वर्ड्स को लेकर, उस फ्रेज को लेकर, तो आप उस वर्ड को यूज कर पाओगे अपने कन्वर्सेशन में. Until unless you are not using, you are not exercising about those words, or you don't have meaning about that particular words, then how you can able to learn? You can't able to learn, and you have always doubt, and doubt will create more doubt, and then you will mess up and you will leave learning about English language. You will leave the dedications which you have towards of learning English, towards of speaking English. तो सबसे पहले आपको टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा, अपना टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा. अगर माना कि आप लोग जॉब कर रहे हो या कुछ भी कर रहे हो तो उसके लिए आप करो बस कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने लिए 2 घंटे का टाइम ज़रूर निकालो और प्रैक्टिस करो. बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस करोगे, एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस करोगे, आप चीज़ों को समझ रहे हो, लर्न कर रहे हो और चीज़ों को लेकर आपको पता चल रहा है कि हाँ इसका मीनिंग ये होगा, ऐसे होगा और मैं ऐसे यूज़ कर सकता हूँ अपने कन्वर्सेशन में. तो ये सब चीज़ करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. दीज आर द एक्टिविटीज़ विच मेक योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ग्रेट. And if you know particular words and their meanings, how I can use these things in my communication skills, so definitely आपके पास elements आ जाएगा, आपके पास weapons आ जाएगा कि yes, now I can able to express myself, now I can able to share my point of views, and now nobody can stop me. तब आप नहीं पूछोगे कि यार मुझे कैसे करना चाहिए, कैसे नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि चीज़ों को आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा डेली बेसिस पे आपको टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा. नहीं अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं मैं एक झटके से सीख जाऊंगा और मैं इंस्टेंटली सीख जाऊंगा, दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी हैपन. यू विल हैव ऑलवेज प्रॉब्लम एंड यू कांट एबल टू learn the things. So you must first understand like these are the process, and I have to understand, I have to take everything in deeply way. I have to understand, I have to make the sentences, and more sentences I'm making, that means I'm getting more clarity. I have deep understanding, and whenever you are communicating with any people or any meeting or conference, definitely you can able to share your point of views and you can share your ideas, because these are the important things and that's how you learn. तो आप कुछ भी करो लाइफ में, अपने लिए टाइम ज़रूर निकालो. 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे, 1 घंटे, 1 आवर, 2 आवर, डेफिनेटली आपको टाइम निकाल के चीज़ों को समझना पड़ेगा, अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा. तब जाके आप सक्सेस मिल सकता है, तब जाके आप कम्युनिकेशन स्किल को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. बिकॉज दिस इज़ द टेक्निक एंड दिस इज़ द method which you must apply. When you apply, you will believe that yes, I am changing my lifestyle. Well, welcome back in my channel. My name is Neeraj and I'm just going to explain about all the things. Definitely I will give many kind of examples and many things you will understand, and situational based things I will let you know. Then you have to understand and you need to understand definitely your expressions, these are the ideas, these are the weapons, these are the tools, these are the elements which you can understand, which when you understand you will believe that yes, I can express. English is very easy. It is not hard. This is like a game. I'm playing game in computer. I'm playing game in cell phone. So yeah, this is things. These are the things through which I can also play. Through which these words I can also play. Now one by one I'm going to share these informations. Definitely you will like and you will understand. Your understanding is important. I need your attention. I need your full attentions that yes, you are understanding, and examples I'm giving you, you must also understand, and you can make your examples, you can make your things possible, right? So here you can see I have mentioned about just now. Just now का means हिंदी में होता है बस अभी. Just now, right? Just now means बस अभी. When you came at my home, तो मेरे घर कब आए? Just now, बस अभी, just अभी, है ना? Just now, अभी. When when do you want to go for picnic? When do you want to go for picnic? आप पिकनिक कब जाना चाहते हो? Just now. Just now. बस अभी. तो मीटिंग में कब आए? When did you came in meeting? Just now. अभी आया. बस अभी. Just now I am watching TV. Just now I am learning spoken English. अब बस अभी मैं टीवी वॉच कर रहा हूँ. बस अभी मैं लर्निंग कर रहा हूँ इंग्लिश के रिगार्डिंग. When will you learn about all the things? When you will learn? Just now. Just now I am learning. Just now I am developing. बस अभी मैं डेवलप कर रहा हूँ. बस अभी मैं लर्न कर रहा हूँ चीज़ों को. फिर just now, right? Just now. When would you like to come in meeting? Just now. आप उनसे कब बात करना चाहते हो? When would you like to talk with them? Just now I want to talk with them. Just now I want to talk with them. Just now I am going. Just अभी बस अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ. बस मैं जा रहा हूँ. Just now I am going. Just now, right? I hope you understand. Just now means बस अभी. Just now, right? Now you can see till now. Till now means अब तक. Till now, how many vocabularies have you learned? अब तक आपने कितने vocabularies को learn कर लिया है? Like till now, अब तक. Till now, what you have done in your life. अब तक आपने लाइफ में क्या किया है? Till now, what you have done in life. Till now, अब तक आपने अपने लाइफ में क्या किया है? Till now, what qualification have you acquired? अब तक क्या क्वालिफिकेशन आपने पर्याप्त किया है? अब तक क्या क्वालिफिकेशन आपने पर्याप्त किया है? Till now, what qualification you have acquired? Or till now, I just completed 10th and 12th. I'm doing graduations and I or might be completed your master degree. Or till now, I became manager. Or till now, I'm working as a salesperson in the organizations. अब तक मैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सेल्स पर्सन काम कर रहा हूँ और मैं मैनेजर बन गया हूँ. राइट. Till now, what you have achieved? Till now, what qualifications have you acquired? और till now, where have you visited? अभी तक आपने कहाँ विजिट किया है? Till now. Till now I have visited in Bangalore. I have visited I'm living in Delhi. Or till now I have gone through lots of process of learning English. Till now my life is not good, but still I'm working. Right? Till now, अब तक, right? Till now I will complete my communication skills and I will do my best. Till now, right, means अब तक. Till now I believe that my communication skill is not good, but still I am doing practice. My communication skill is not good till now, but still I am doing practice. Or till now I may don't know about all the English words, all the English vocabularies, but I am learning. Till now, what you have achieved in your life? अब तक आपने क्या अचीव किया है लाइफ में? No, till now I don't think I have achieved anything great, anything countable, but still I am doing the things, right? Till now. Not yet means अभी नहीं. Not yet. Would you like to talk with them? क्या आप उनसे बात करना चाहोगे? Not yet. Did you attend the meeting? Not yet. क्या आपने अभी तक मीटिंग अटेंड किया? Did you attend the meeting? Not yet. अभी नहीं. Right? Not yet means अभी नहीं. Have you taken coffee or tea? Have you taken coffee or tea? क्या आपने कॉफ़ी या चाय ले लिया? Not yet. नहीं लिया. Not yet. Right? Not yet. Have you taken coffee and tea? Not yet. Have you visited any places for vacations? Have you visited any places for vacations? Not yet. क्या आपने vacations के लिए और पिकनिक के लिए कहीं पर विजिट किया? Not yet. अभी नहीं. Right? Not yet. Have you ever make good decision? Not yet. क्या आपने कभी good decision make किया? क्या आपने कभी decision make किया? Have you ever made any decision? Not yet. अभी नहीं. अभी तक और अभी नहीं. Right? अभी नहीं. Have you done your homework? Not yet. क्या आपने अपना homework done किया? Not yet. अभी नहीं. Have you completed your task? क्या आपने अपना task को complete कर लिया? Not yet. Right. Have you given a government examination? Not yet. अभी नहीं. Have you given government examination? Not yet. अभी नहीं. Have you visited in city? Not yet. क्या आपने सिटी में विजिट किया? Not yet. अभी नहीं. Are you conducting the meeting right now? Are you conducting the meeting right now? Not yet. क्या आप मीटिंग अभी कंडक्ट कर रहे हो? क्या मीटिंग आप होल्ड कर रहे हो? Not yet. Yet we haven't started the meeting. Yet we haven't started the meeting. Not yet means अभी नहीं. Are you working on those projects? Not yet. I'm not working. Are you working on those projects? Not yet. Are you learning new grammatical things? Are you learning new vocabularies right now? No. Not yet. Would you like to take my suggestions? Not yet. अभी नहीं. क्या आप मेरा सजेशन लेना चाहेंगे? Not yet. Not required. Not yet means अभी नहीं. No more. और now you can see no more. No more means और नहीं. Would you like to take bread? क्या आप ब्रेड लेना चाहोगे? और no more. It's okay. That's enough. It's fine. No more. Like और नहीं. No more. Would you like to take more water? Would you like to take more water? No more. Don't required or not required. Want you take more water? No more. No more. That's fine. No more. Would you like to take my pen? क्या आप मेरा पेन लेना चाहोगे? No more. No required. Right? Now, would you like to use my cell phone? No more. Not required. No needed. No more. Right? No more. Would you like to take milk? No more. Whenever you are doing, whenever you are eating something or you are drinking water, you are drinking milk, so second person or third person can ask to you, would you like to have more milk? So third and the first person what he will say, no more. Right? अगर वो पूछता है कि आपको कुछ और चाहिए तो the people what they said, no more. I don't require. No more. Right? So no, that's fine, that's enough and that is okay. No more. No required. No more means और नहीं. अब और नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Would you like to do more homework? क्या आप homework और ज़्यादा करना चाहोगे? No more. I don't required. I don't need. No more means no more. Right? और would you like to take more sugar? मैं बोलता हूँ कि चीनी मैं आपको और दे दूँ तो आप बोलोगे no more. Would you like to take more salt in सब्जी? No more. No, that's okay, fine. No more. I hope you understand. No more. Not here means यहाँ नहीं. Not here means यहाँ नहीं. Can I keep? You can see. Can I keep this bat here? Not here. Not here means यहाँ नहीं. If I'm giving you examples, can I keep this bat here? No, not here. Not here means यहाँ नहीं. Can I come over there? Right? So if I'm asking can I come over there, क्या मैं वहाँ आ जाऊँ, तो आप बोलोगे not here, यहाँ नहीं. Right? यहाँ नहीं. Not here means यहाँ नहीं. Can I do my homework at your home? Can I do my school homework at your home? So what you will say? Not here. यहाँ नहीं. No. Can I take your some spaces? Not here. और अगर मैं बोलता हूँ can I sit here? No, not here. This is already occupied. This seat is already mine. आप जब आप ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करोगे तो आपके सीट पे अगर कोई भी बैठ जाएगा तो आप बोलोगे नॉट हियर. नो, दिस इज माई स्पेस. नोबडी कैन सिट हियर. आई विल सिट हियर ओनली. ओके, सो मीन्स यहाँ नहीं. नॉट हियर मीन्स यहाँ नहीं. वुड यू लाइक टू टेक मीटिंग एट माई होम? नॉट हियर. आप मीटिंग मेरे होम पे करना चाहोगे? नॉट हियर. राइट, सेम यू कैन से नॉट देयर, वहाँ नहीं. नॉट देयर के लिए वहाँ नहीं. नॉट देयर. कैन आई अगेन आई कैन गिव यू एग्जाम्पल. कैन आई कीप माई बैट देयर? नॉट देयर. दैट इज माई प्लेस. नो, you can't do anything. Or I can say, can I keep my phone there? Not there. No, not there. There are people who can steal your phone. There are some people, they can steal your phone. Not there. Right? I hope you understand. Means not there. वहाँ नहीं. Can I go there? No, not there. Not there. Right? Not there. वहाँ नहीं. So not there. वहाँ नहीं. वहाँ पर नहीं। क्या मैं वहाँ पर खेल सकता हूँ? कैन आई प्ले देयर? नॉट देयर, वहाँ नहीं, राइट। कैन आई लर्न इंग्लिश हियर? येस। कैन आई लर्न इंग्लिश हियर? येस, यू कैन लर्न। अगेन यू कैन सी ओवर देयर। ओवर देयर मीन्स वहाँ पर, राइट। ओवर देयर मीन्स वहाँ पर। ओवर देयर का हम यूज़ करते हैं जब कोई भी चीज़ दूर के लिए हम बात करते हैं। अगर मैं बात करता हूँ कि मैं अपना सेल फोन वहाँ पर रख दूँ क्या, राइट। कैन आई पुट माई सेल फोन देयर? कैन आई पुट माई सेल फोन देयर? सो नॉट देयर, राइट, over there. Can I put my cell phone over there? Like, you understand, there is almiras or there is some places like it's on heights, and I'm asking about, can I keep my phone over there? Can I keep my phone over there? Or you can see, कैन आई पुट माई बैट ओवर देयर? क्या मैं अपना बैट वहाँ पे रख दूँ, राइट। क्या मैं अपना बैट वहाँ पे रख दूँ? कैन आई कीप माई बैट ओवर देयर? वहाँ पे, राइट। वहाँ पर के लिए हम यूज करेंगे ओवर देयर, लाइक वहाँ पर। कैन आई लर्न सम न्यू एक्टिविटीज़ ओवर देयर? क्या मैं वहाँ पर कुछ न्यू एक्टिविटीज़ लर्न कर सकता हूँ? कैन आई स्टार्ट माई प्रैक्टिसिंग इंग्लिश ओवर देयर? क्या मैं अपनी इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस वहाँ पर कर सकता हूँ क्या? वो इट माइट बी सम इंस्टीट्यूट और इट माइट बी प्लेसेस, पर्टिकुलर प्लेसेस, or it might be platform where you think that yes, I wanted to do my practice, so can I do my practice over there, like, right. Over there means वहाँ पर। over here, same, over here means यहाँ पर। over here, yes, you can come at my home and over here we will do practice। आप मेरे घर पे आ जाओ, हम लोग यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। over there, right, over there, यहाँ पर। over here we will talk some kind of things. Now I'm talking with my friends and I'm asking with him that he or she can come at my home. He or she can come at my home and we can do practice. So over here you can come and you can do your practice, right. Or let's suppose that you are going somewhere and you are asking to your friend, I wanted to do my practice over there, like over there I want to do my practice, or over there I will talk you what great things we are doing, like over there means वहाँ पे। so early, you can see so early you are talking in English, मतलब बहुत जल्दी, इतनी जल्दी आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो। so early you are talking in English, so early you have learned the things, बहुत जल्दी आपने चीज़ों को लर्न कर लिया, बहुत ही जल्दी, राइट। so early you came to play cricket, आप बहुत जल्दी, इतने जल्दी आगे क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए। so early, right, means इतनी जल्दी। so early means इतनी जल्दी। so early you have learned all the things, so early you have completed your project, your homework। so early this boy is becoming too much intelligent, early, right। so early means इतनी जल्दी you are becoming too much great। early in the morning I wanted to do my practice, or so early I wanted to do my English practice। I wanted to find the place where there I can visit and I can speak English। I wanted to do practice because practice is important। yes, I'm doing practice, that means I'm exercising and I'm learning and I'm utilizing my time, there is no worry, right। so early, इतनी जल्दी ये बच्चा इतना बड़ा हो गया है, राइट। इतनी जल्दी ये बच्चा इतना बड़ा हो गया है। so early this child become too much big, like quite big means काफ़ी बड़ा। oh, this elephant is quite big, yes, it is quite big, right। और ये काफ़ी बड़ा टेलीविज़न है, ये काफ़ी बड़ा टीवी है। oh, this is quite big TV, this is quite big televisions। oh, this place is quite big, ये प्लेस बहुत ही बड़ा है, ये जगह जो स्पेस है बहुत ही बड़ा है, quite big। this is quite big, I can't understand। oh, this is quite big, I can't run, like, or this field is quite big, I can't able to run, right। quite big means काफ़ी बड़ा है, this is quite big। और this paragraph is quite big, ये पैराग्राफ बहुत ही बड़ा है, right। yeah, this paragraph is quite big। or this is quite big learning, I don't want to do this practice। or there are so many pages, there are so many materials have written there, so that is quite big materials there, quite big, right? Oh, this phone is not quite big, this phone is not quite big. Yes, am I right? I hope you are getting the things. I hope you are learning, you are enjoying your life, and you wanted to see the practice. Everything is possible when you do the things, when you learn the things, when you put your attentions. It makes interestable, and you will generate more positive ideas and thoughts. So you have to continue learning. So this is quite big. Oh, this for the small child, this bat, what he will say, oh, this bat is quite big. Oh my god, this is a quite big bat. Oh, I can see. Oh, it is very heavy. Oh, this is also very heavy. It is quite big. एक छोटे से बच्चे के लिए जब वो बच्चा ये बैट होल्ड करेगा या पकड़ेगा तो उसको ये लगे, oh, this is, no, it is quite big, I can't hold it, this is quite big, right? This is quite heavy and this is also quite big. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is quite big. Not again means दोबारा नहीं, not again. Don't do this mistake again. You are not again. Would you like to repeat your mistake again? No, not again. No, I won't do any kind of mistake. No, it's okay. Not again means दोबारा नहीं. Not again. Would you like to have some fun again? Not again. Right? Not again. दोबारा नहीं. Not you wanted to do your practice English? Not again. Would you like to take more work to do? Not again. No. Would you like to take more work? Not again. अब नहीं, दोबारा नहीं. Would you like to visit that place again? Not again. Like क्या आप उस जगह पे जाना चाहोगे? Not again. No, it's okay. That's fine. Not again. I don't want to go there. I feel very discomfortable. Not again. Right? Not again. Not again. I don't want to take any kind of depressions. I don't want to take any kind of tension. Not again. Right? Or let's suppose that you visit in shopping mall and you are purchasing the product, and that product is too much expensive and you have already purchased that product. So that product you have already purchased, so your friend or the salesperson asking to you, would you like to purchase this product again? So what you will say? Not again. Not again. Not required. You people are too much cunning. Not again. दोबारा नहीं. Right? For a while. For a while का यूज हम करते हैं कुछ समय से या कुछ समय के लिए. राइट? कुछ समय से या कुछ समय के लिए. For a while. For a while I want to take break in my life. कुछ समय के लिए मैं ब्रेक लेना चाहता हूँ अपने लाइफ में. राइट? कुछ समय के लिए मैं घूमने जाना चाहता हूँ. For a while I wanted to go for walk. For a while I wanted to go for vacations. For a while I wanted to go for picnic. For a while I wanted to take rest. For a while I wanted to like understand what I am doing. कुछ समय के लिए मैं समझना चाहूँगा कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. राइट? क्या कर रहा हूँ. For a while. For a while I must spend some time to practice my spoken English, to practice with myself, to talk with myself. For a while. Right? For a while I wanted to do so many things and I must learn the things. For a while. For कुछ समय के लिए जैसे कि आप काम कर रहे हो, बहुत टायर्ड हो गए हो, थक गए हो, परेशान हो गए हो, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? For a while I wanted to take rest. I wanted to take rest for a while. For a while I wanted to go to eat something. आप बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हो, आप थक गए हो, तो आप बोलोगे कि for a while I wanted to go outside to walk, or for a while I wanted to go to have some tea, coffee or some snacks. Right? For a while. कुछ समय से या कुछ समय के लिए. For a while. For a while I wanted to learn grammatical things. I wanted to learn the vocabularies. Or for a while I have to do also practice about reading. For a while I will communicate with the people. Right? कुछ समय के लिए या कुछ समय से. For a while I'm not understanding what I'm doing in my learning. For a while I have faced lots of problems and I must understand. Now for a while I need to take break and I have to understand. I have to invest my time where there is productivity, where there is outcomes are coming. So for a while I must think about my learning. for a while you must think that what you are doing. आप कुछ समय के लिए आपको टाइम को स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा, अपने लिए टाइम अपने लिए निकालना पड़ेगा, और यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट. फॉर अ वाइल, कुछ समय से या कुछ समय के लिए. I have given you sufficient appropriate examples, situational and real based examples. Definitely your communication skill is going to be improved and you are learning as much as possible, because I want to bring transformations. I want to bring the change in yourself, in your mind and in your communication skills. It must be. I will generate. I will do each and everything. Definitely your communication will not stop. Communication will not become barrier in your life. You will achieve anything. अगर आपको जॉब करना है, कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंग्लिश एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो परफॉर्म वेल, एक्सीलेंट. पीपल विल गिव यू रिस्पेक्ट. यू विल अर्निंग ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एंड मोर एवर you will understand the humanity and you will live your life happily, right? Yes, so now you can say apart from this, right? Apart from this means इससे हटकर आप इससे हटकर और क्या करना चाहोगे. apart from this what would you like to do to improve your communication skills. इससे हटकर आप और क्या करना चाहोगे इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए. apart from this what I will do, apart from this what you have to do, you have to read, listen, write and speak. 4 things is very important: read, listen, write and speak. I have made videos about listening, reading, writing and speaking. If you haven't watched my past videos which I have made, this is very important and very unique things I have explained there. 4 चीज़ों पे मैंने वीडियो बनाया है इंग्लिश लर्न करने के लिए. अगर आपने अभी तक वॉच नहीं किया है तो डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट विजिट, यू मस्ट वॉच. एंड व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंस, व्हाट आर द ग्रेट थिंग्स and what would happen if you watch those videos. So you have to watch those videos, right? So instead of apart from this you have to read, write, listen and speak. Apart from learning these vocabularies, there are so many vocabularies which you can learn. इससे हटकर there are बहुत सारे vocabularies हैं, वो चीज़ें आप लर्न कर सकते हो. Because my dear friend, why I'm telling about all these kind of vocabularies, because these are the very important vocabulary. These are the like things which you must have. अगर आपके पास ये सब चीज़ें होंगे तभी तो आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाओगे और सही से चीज़ों को एक्सप्रेस कर पाओगे, बोल पाओगे और समझ पाओगे, और आपके पास मटेरियल हो जाएगा बोलने के लिए. So that is why I'm giving you, I'm telling you, I'm making you understand about all the things. At once you understand, definitely you can able to express yourself. When you express yourself, that what you want, that what I want, right? So apart from talking these ideas, you can take also some another ideas. इससे हटकर आप और भी ideas ले सकते हो. You wanted to do business, so apart from money, you need manpower. You need good person who can able to understand your job, who can give his best services. Apart from I'm working in organization, I must spend some time for my study. Apart from learning, I should also invest or give my times to my family. इससे हटकर आप क्या करना चाहोगे. Apart from this, what would you like to speak? इसके अलावा आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे. Apart from this means इससे हटकर what do you want to, what action do you want to take. Apart from this, what things are you going to make. Apart from going to school, what you will do. Apart from going to school, I will come at my home, I will do my homework and I will talk to my friends for a while. I will also go for play cricket. Right? For a while I will also take rest, or for a while I will invest for a while I will spend my time with my family, right? For a while. Apart from this, इससे हटकर you can see up and downs, like उतार and चढ़ाव. Up and downs are the part of the life. Up and downs are the journey which we must understand. So life में उतार and चढ़ाव आते रहेंगे, और we have to understand and we have to take the right decision, right? Up and downs means उतार and चढ़ाव. Today I'm working here, so it's okay. Tomorrow I'll feel pain. So उतार and चढ़ाव आते रहेंगे. आज मैं अच्छा जॉब कर रहा हूँ, अच्छा मैं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो ये गुड मोमेंट है. जब मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, उतार. मीन्स डी ग्रोथ, डीमोटिवेटेड, लाइक उतार, मैं अच्छे पोजीशन पे जा रहा हूँ, अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, चढ़ाव. So up and downs are the part of the life which we must understand, and we never feel demotivated because these are the part of the life, right? Sukh and dukh, utar and chadhav, up and downs. My dear friend, I'm very delighted and thankful, and I hope you must enjoying learning, and you are learning as much as possible. Definitely your communication skill will improve, and you will see that yes यार I'm changing, मैं लर्न कर रहा हूँ, मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ. और मैं आप अपने आप को ऑलवेज थैंक यू करो. जब कभी भी चीज़ों को लर्न करो, अंडरस्टैंड करो, आप समझ जाते हो उन चीज़ों प्रोसेस को, तो आप अपने आप को थैंक यू वर्क करो और इंकरेजमेंट करो और मोटिवेटेड हो जाओ कि यार नहीं, मुझे युद्ध स्तर पे काम करना है, युद्ध स्तर पे काम करना है कि मुझे सब कुछ अचीव करना है और मुझे जल्दी जल्दी करना है और मुझे टाइम देना है हर एक चीज़ को. लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि आप ना कर सको. डेफिनेटली यू शुड कंप्लीट, यू शुड अचीव, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. यू हैव टू जस्ट फोकस, कंसिस्टेंट एंड डेली प्रैक्टिस, रिस्पेक्टिंग पीपल, हैविंग डिसिप्लिन एंड पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट. दीज आर द थिंग्स विच थ्रो यू हैव मोटिवेटेड. दीज आर द थिंग्स टूवर्ड्स गोइंग ऑफ ऑप्टिमिस्टिक वे, राइट, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक वे, उतारवाद की तरफ आप जाओगे. सो डेफिनेटली थिंग्स हैपन होंगे. आप अपने आप को ये मत डिमोटेड मत समझो. आप यू आर सो एक्साइटेड, यू आर सुपर एक्साइटेड, यू वांट टू अचीव एनीथिंग. यस आई कैन डू. इफ एनीथिंग which not possible, so it not possible because I never take action, I never try to learn those things, so that is why it was not possible. But here I'm going to operate all the things, every single things I will understand, I will learn in better way, I will give explanations, and I will also make the sentences. Whenever you make the sentences, so definitely you will have more positive lines, you have many things to speak. Definitely nobody can stop you. My dear friend, if you haven't watched my past videos, definitely you must watch, you must visit and learn the things, because here I am going to bring transformation change which you must understand. अगर आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, डेफिनेटली यू विल अचीव. आप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ऐसे छीन लोगे, ऐसे स्नैच कर लोगे, बट यू डोंट हैव टू डू. विथ डिसिप्लिन, विथ रिस्पेक्ट, एवरीथिंग कैन अचीवेबल. विथ लव एंड अफेक्शंस, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल, यू कैन अचीव. सो बी स्टे, बी पॉजिटिव. सब्सक्राइब मेरे चैनल को कर दो यार, थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो. वेल, थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड enjoy your life. Thank you very much. Have a great night, day and morning. Thank you. Right?